So I'll be showing you how to turn off the location services icon from the status bar of your iPhone. So this right next to the time in the status bar, that little arrow is the location services icon. Now, when you see that icon, it basically means there's an app trying to access your location or currently accessing your location right now. So one way you can turn that or you can put that out is to go to the multitasking window, find an app that might be accessing your location, as you can see, and close that app. But if you want to turn off that icon completely, which obviously I strongly don't recommend, go to settings. On the main settings page, go to privacy and security, tap on that, and then tap on location services. And then under location services, you want to go ahead and tap on system services, and then scroll down and disable the status bar icon. Now this is only going to disable the status bar icon when these system services are trying to access your location. Now, is it necessary for these system services to access your location? Most of the time, yes. Now, you also have apps trying to access your location. And even if you have that feature turned off, if you have an app like Google Maps accessing your location in the background, then that icon will still come up. So for instance, if you go and bring up Google Maps, you can see the location will still be there. But when you exit Google Maps, that location services icon disappears. And the reason for that is in your location settings, you've set Google Maps to only access location while using the app. So for instance, if you set it to always and then launch Google Maps, it's going to access your location. And then even if it's running in the background, it's going to continue to access your location. So that's basically how to turn off that location services icon from the status bar of your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.